71 bucks, 136 bucks, 2000 bucks. So, hello guys and welcome back to my cool YouTube channel. And for those who don't know me, my name is Michael and I'm a professional trader in the field of Forex and binary options. So today, as always, my dear friends, I would like to tell you about how to make millions on this market, and if you wanted to know this, watch this video right now. Okay, my friends, so today, as always, I'm going to use three of my favorite indicators: Keltner channel, Parabolic SAR and MACD. So, by the way, as always, I'm using only short time period of just 1 minute. I'm wasting my whole deposit in each trade. So now we have opened our first position. This is sell position. We can see a huge liquidity zone. We have touched the strong resistance level, and after it we're receiving the pullback reaction. That's why we have opened sell position here, expecting the drop. So now let's wait 1 minute and get our money. Everything is very simple. Everything is very simple. Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, so the first trade was profitable one. We got our cash. Now let's proceed to the next one and let's see what do we have, what currency pair, which of them we would like to choose right now, and fuck it. Your sugar daddy will now look through all the market situations to find the best entry point and use it. Okay, so first of all, let's change our investment to $5. Now I am checking USD PKR currency pair, and we have broken through the middle line of the Keltner channel. We are starting growing right now, and that's why we're choosing the best entry point for the long position, and we did it. We found it and we opened it. Now let's check what we will have next. Let's check and let's get our money. Okay guys, so the next trade, the second one, was also a profitable one, and let's think about the next trade. What should we choose? For now we have just 10 bucks on the account. That's nothing. We should pump it, we should make it bigger and bigger, like my dick. Okay, let's check USD EGP. So here we have a very strong down-going movement. We're trying to use it. That's why we're opening sell position here. And yep, we have done this. We opened sell position, investing our 10 bucks here. We have invested them. And come on, please, be faster. I don't want to waste so much time here. We got our money. We have just 19 bucks right now. We need to continue. We need to make much more. And let's do this. Let's don't waste our time. Let's change our investment to $19 and check USD DZD currency pair. We have a very slow down-going movement. That's why, according to the Parabolic SAR, now we have a good entry point for the long position, and we have opened it. We have opened buy position here, expecting the pullback reaction from the zone and good growth. You know, guys, I don't like to waste so much time on pumping the deposit, because when you start just from $3, you need to waste a lot of time making 1,000, 2,000, 10,000, and etc. However, it's the best option to show me how to make money from even $3 for each of you, because not all of you have a lot of money for the first deposit, but I can show you how to make big and huge profit just from the small amount of money. Even if you just have only $1, you can make 1,000 bucks, and I want to show this to you, even if I don't like to waste so much time on this shit, because I love my subscribers and I want to show you all how to make millions. So now we have opened USD IRS currency pair, and here, according to the MACD indicator, we're going down, and according to the downgoing channel, we have opened sell position here, expecting the breakthrough of the bottom of the Keltner channel and continuation of the current drop. So $37 are invested, and let's see the reaction of the market. I'm sure that this trade will be anyway profitable because we have a good downgoing movement. And yeah, price has broken through the bottom of the channel. We have made the new low and we got our profit, $71. Yep, guys, we did it. We have $71 in the account. By the way, my dear friends, while you are watching this video, don't forget to open the description to it, use the link in it and subscribe to my private TG, in which you will get a lot of cool stuff such as daily analytics, daily trading signals and educational materials which will help you to upgrade your mind in the sphere of trading. And the most important thing is that if you write me a private message telling me, Michael motherfucker, I want to become VIP member, I will immediately add you to my VIP channel and you will be able to participate in the same kind of online trading sessions just like this and get real cash each fucking day. Don't waste your time, do this right now, it's absolutely free. And now we have opened the new trade. According to the current movement, you can see that price has reached the middle of the Keltner channel, and after this we will highly likely show the pullback reaction from that zone and price will highly likely drop right now. That's why we have opened this sell position and wasting our $71 here. So let's see now what will we get. So guys, this trade was profitable one. We have $136. Let's change our investment to $136. We're checking out the GPI currency pair. We cannot break through the middle line of the Keltner channel and price is showing us a good pullback reaction. That's why we are opening sell position, expecting that further drop. Price is thriving towards the bottom of the channel and maybe it will even break through it and continue dropping significantly. So let's see right now what market will show to us. So we have $261. Let's check USDB real currency pair. We have $261 on the account. According to the MACD, we're going down. We had the pullback reaction from the middle line of the channel. However, it's not good enough. So let's try to open sell position here, expecting finally the breakthrough of the middle line and continuation of the current drop towards the bottom of the Keltner channel. Okay guys, so this trade was also profitable. We have $500 in the account. That's really good. That's really nice. Use the EGP currency pair. What do we have here? We have a very strong downgoing trend. However, it's not quite strong right now. We have a very low volatility and we're expecting the possible pullback from that zone. Upgoing correction. That's why let's try buy position. So, okay guys, we got this. We have around $1,000 on our account right now. We started with just $3, now we have $1,000 and that's really nice, it's really crazy. We spent just around 15 minutes and we turned our deposit to $1,000 just from $3. Finally, let's do the last trade for today. Let's make it. Let's fuck this market. Okay, my friends, now we're opening sell position, expecting the continuation of the current drop and the breakthrough of the Keltner channel bottom line. So, MACD indicator is also telling us about the short signal. We have invested the whole deposit right now. Our $960 are invested here. So let's check, my friends, let's check what will we have right now. And yep, guys, we did it. We did it, my friends. We have around 2,000 bucks on the account. So we turned our $3 into $2,000. So, my friends, if you want to do the same results like me, be the same handsome and millionaire, oh shit, like me, be the best trader ever, subscribe to my fucking TG. You will find the link in the description to this video, and be God blessed trader. So do this right now. Everything is for free. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice and profitable day, and bye bye.